السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين وكفى والصلاة والسلام على سيد الرسل وخاتم الأنبياء محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Alhamdulillah, this will be our 28th session for Quran Connection. Some of you may be thinking, hold on a second, the completion of the Quran was done last night, and these reminders and sessions, these video sessions are linked to the recitation of the Quran. So if the completion of the Quran had come to an end, why are we sent yet another link for a Quran Connection series? Let me ask you this. I'll put a question forth. What will you hear tonight in Surah Al-Taraweeh? We usually base our video sessions upon what's recited within Surah Al-Taraweeh throughout the month of Ramadan. However, since the completion of the Quran has been completed, alhamdulillah, that doesn't mean Ramadan is over. That doesn't mean Surah Al-Taraweeh will no longer be held. Surah Al-Taraweeh will continue to be led and read and followed for as long as Ramadan is still there. We still have 2 days left, alhamdulillah or so. So do your best. Don't let yourself deceive yourself, as shaitan is shackled and chained behind bars. He's yet to be released. So don't fool yourself thinking, since Khatm al-Quran happened, there's not much of a benefit left in us attending Salat al-Taraweeh. No, do so. Take time out. And in fact, this will speak volumes of our sincerity, how sincere we are in the ibadah, in the worship of Allah, in the worship of Rabbul Alameen. So, come tonight. Don't let the masjid become vacant. Don't let it be that you feel, I don't need to offer Taraweeh anymore because the completion of the Quran has already happened. No. Do your best. Take time out. Come and offer Salat al-Taraweeh. In fact, we need to do even more. We need to do more than what we were previously doing, as Ramadan is about to come to its end. So do your best once again in not only listening to the Quran, but in fact take this opportunity, since Taraweeh will not be so long or lengthy, use the time and set that time which you're saving from within Salat Taraweeh and put it in your schedule in reciting the Quran. Whatever it be. Recite Surah Yasin, recite Surah Mulk, recite Surah Waqi'ah, recite the Ayatul Kursi, recite the last couple of ayats from Surah Al-Baqarah. I'm not asking you to recite all of Surah Al-Baqarah, but make yourself feel comfortable with some of the ayat of the Quran, so that you can become more comfortable in the other ayat of the Quran. Again, this is a brief, short reminder. Do your best in not only listening to the Quran within Surah Al-Taraweeh tonight, but also in reciting it. Emphasize it. Pass this message on to your family and friends that Ramadan isn't over yet. Ramadan isn't over yet. Let's end on a good note. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the right understanding of His deen. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.